Hello, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a buckler shield, like a really small one, out of an aluminum plate or like tray like this one. It's very corroded, but this will be the back of it. And you can always shine these up. They actually polish up pretty well. So what you need is you need a marker that you can mark it. You need Chicago screws to put through the hole that you will drill through it. You need to drill 2 holes. And then you have some kind of material to use as your strap, and that will go on the inside here across and give you a place to hold it. And that is the first step, is make sure you have all the materials. You can also use rivets, but I find Chicago screws work much better. And I will show you each step. So once you marked your 2 holes, you need to take your drill and you need to drill it. And I will show you what that looks like right after I do it. So I just drilled the holes. So here there is the back. So I just drilled the holes, and sadly the recording cut out because I actually hit one of the volume buttons, which is so annoying. Why does Apple do this to me? Anyway, so I have the holes drilled. So now what you need to do is you need to get your strap ready. Either do that by just buying the strap already, or sew one like what I'm going to show you in just a second. So I folded it in half, and I'm just stitching on the outside, just going back and forth like this. And this will be a nice little stitch. And eventually, when I get it finished stitched, I will bend each one half and the ends in half, and we will put the hole in it, and we will show you how to finish it. Okay, so the last step. Now that I have the handle there, I put the holes in the handle. I have the Chicago screws. So all you want to do is you want to unscrew the Chicago screws, and you want to put them through the hole, and you want the side that doesn't have any screw head to be on the front, so that way people don't see it. Which in this case is where the curve is, because that's going to be the boss of the shield. And I'll show you that in a second once I get it done, because I can't do it while filming. See, now there you have a small buckler shield that you can use for a Ren fair or something like that. See, you just hold it like that, and you got it. And that will work really well for a Ren fair or potentially reenactments, but I don't think aluminum's best for that. It will definitely not stop an arrow, and it's not really historically accurate for a true reenactment because aluminum wasn't common until the 1800s. But thank you so much for watching. Bye!